to another video of Travel with Kirsten. That's me, Kirsten Quigley. So in this video, we are going to be discussing Google Local Guide and Google reviews and kind of all about it and how to do it and how you most likely utilize it every single day of your life. And you could be getting points for it and become a part of this little community, and it's just cool. Okay, so first let me just talk about what is Google Local Guide. And I actually have posted this on my Instagram before, but basically being a Google Local Guide is just someone who writes a review, right? So you get points for it. If you add photos, you get points. I actually had to do this I had to become a level 5 Google Local Guide. I guess my junior year. Shout out Duarte from NC State PRT. It was in one of his classes. And so I became a level 5 Google Local Guide. And one of my reviews has like over 10,000 views or something crazy like that. But anyways, it's just a cool little thing to do, and it's good for, you know, just, I'm sure you look up a review every time you want to try somewhere, so you might as well do the same for other people and leave your reviews. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm the best with it because I think about it a lot. I don't do it. That's why we're going to do it right now. I picked 5 places that I've been to over my travels. So from Boston, from being back in Raleigh, and then also going to Chicago, I picked 5 pictures that I had from different places because I do like to include pictures. I think it just makes it, I like seeing pictures, and if I took them, I might as well use them. Okay, so I'm going to screen record my phone so you can also see what's going on here. Okay, so to Google Local Guide, it's basically just where you find all of the reviews, where you can write them, you can edit them, you can even fact check. And yeah, you just gain points. And I believe at level 2 you're supposed to get socks. I never got them though, so Google, let's talk about that. But yeah, it's just something cool, another cool thing to be a part of. One of the first places that we went to in Boston was Quincy Market. It's where I had the lobster mac and cheese, and I would like to review that because it was phenomenal. So I went ahead, went to Google. I'm logged into my Travel with Kirsten's, my Travel with Kirsten email, and I have not made a review on this email yet, so you'll actually see how I will gain points. On my NC State email, though, that's where I'm level 5 because I had to do it for that one project. So, anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so here I am, Quincy Market, looked it up. And right here where it says rate and review on Google, I'm going to go ahead and give it 5 stars because it was amazing. It's just kind of saying how I'm going to be posting it publicly. So I click the 5 stars, and it says share details of your own experience at this place. So I'll just say, my friends and I went to Quincy Market for lunch. I'm just going to say the other day because no one really cares when you went. And I got the lobster mac and cheese from Boston Chowder, and it was delicious. If you are a seafood and mac and cheese fan, I recommend trying this dish out. Cool. Okay, so that's just what I wrote, and I can add photos. So let's see, photo library, and I did make an album. Okay, so there it is. Add. You can put multiple pictures, and then that's it. So I wrote my review, gave 5 stars, and now I'm gonna post it. Cool. All right, so that was the first one. On to the next one. Let's see. Okay, so this drink that I got. So I can't remember if it was Cafe Club or Club Cafe. Anyways, we're just going to look up Club Cafe Boston. Okay, Club Cafe Boston, yeah. So, again, you just go over to reviews. Oh, 4.2. So, the drink was really good. I did like that. Honestly, I don't know why I wouldn't give this place a 5-star either, because we had a great time. The food was good, and the drink was good. Yeah. Again, with my friends and I. Oh my gosh, look. It's totally the wrong email. My goodness. Alright. My friends and I, yes, I'm doing that again. came here. We actually came there for trivia. For trivia night. Cool. Add photos. Add photos. Thank you. Photo library. Albums. This one. This one. Add. Oh, okay. So this one has a little more too. Okay, so we dined in. What did you get? We got dinner. How much did you spend per person? Ooh, this is in one of my TikToks. I don't really remember. I think it was between 30 and 50. Cool. And post. On to the next one. Let's see what I have. Oh, okay. So, it was just Pride Month. And we went to the Raleigh Pride Festival, Pride Parade that they had going on. And we ended up finding this place called Ruby Deluxe that we'd never heard of before. And they had this like slushy, like cocktail, slushy cocktail. It was really good. Reviews. 5 stars. There we go. Okay. Okay, so. Post. Okay, so we're gonna leave a review. Again, 5 stars. Honestly, I should have. But that's the thing though, everywhere I went, I really didn't, like, if I don't have a bad experience, you're getting 5 stars. Period, point blank. Why would I do anything differently? So, Margie's Candies. Reviews. 5 stars. Post. So, obviously all the ones I just did are drinks and foods, but you can do literally anything in the world. Okay, Chicago River Canoe and Kayak. Reviews. And post. So that's how easy it is. That's literally how easy it is. I need to hold myself more accountable to doing this more because I want to do it at every spot I go to, especially when it's a local place. So now I want to kind of look into the Google Local Guide a little more. You have the Google like Maps app. I believe that's where you can like see everything. It says 13 contributions. Not gonna lie, I don't really know what that's from. I don't follow anyone. Oh, I could put a little bio. I just saw that. Okay. So anyways though, if you have the Google Maps app, this is where you can kind of go into your local guide profile. And actually, whoops, shaking it around. Uh-oh. I realize I'm actually not even a local guide yet. I'm just posting. But if you go to edit profile, whoops, I'm lying. How did I do that? I just kind of clicked like I'm screen recording so you can see. And it says join local guides. That's exactly what I want to do. Become a local guide. Next. Join now. And that's how easy. Now Travel with Kirsten is a local guide. Yeah, I can also edit it, add up like bio and like profile picture and stuff. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now because I just am. I went ahead and I just stopped recording my screen because we just did all of our reviews. But if you have any questions, you can always go to support.google.com and it'll show you all about everything that has to do with being a local guide. And it even shows the like how many points you earn for contributing different things. So photo tags, videos, answering things, responding to Q&As, editing. Points do not expire. But yeah, I just wanted to share this little community that I have been a part of. Thanks again to my professor, Duarte Marias from NC State. So my camera cut out while I was filming. But I was done the most important part of making all the reviews. And Peanut wanted to jump in the end of the video. So as I was saying, shout out to my professor from NC State for introducing me into this community. Peanut, we're in the middle of something. Thank you for introducing me into this community. It means a lot to businesses when they get left reviews, especially smaller businesses. But starting now on, I'm going to hold myself more accountable, make more reviews, especially while I'm out on my travels. I want to share my experiences with everyone. The whole reason I started everything was because I wanted to inspire others to travel, get out of their comfort zone, go to places they've never been to, and with the help of reviews and the help of experiences from other people, that's exactly how others are able to try things. Because, you know, if you're scared, you're going to look at a review and be like, maybe I'm not too sure about this place. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Go ahead and comment, leave me a smiley face, leave me your favorite emoji, anything that you want to do, and most importantly, do not forget to click that big red button, subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on a video. And as I said, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!